right, Corey. Well, sometimes I'm so busy that I don't even have time to prep any foods. So I was wondering, what kind of snacks do you usually look to when looking at, quick and easy bars?
Yeah, I always have some sort of bar in my car or in my purse. I really love Epic bars, high in protein, and they use high quality animal products. So for example, they've got their uncured bison bacon cranberry option, super good. I also really like the RX bars. The fact that you can see the ingredients on the front label is a really good sign. You've got 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, no BS. Love this product. Same with the Lara bar, really clean ingredients too. Only 2 ingredients with this cashew cookie option. One option that is still a good option in terms of the ingredients is Kind bars. They're gonna be a little sweeter, a little higher in sugar, so it's a great sweet treat.
All right, Corey. So when we're shopping on a budget, what tips and tricks do you have for us when we're looking at that kind of stuff?
Yeah, I think one of the biggest takeaways if you're trying to shop on a budget is looking at the unit price. So if you look over here at the price label, we've got 60.5 per ounce. So that's telling us how much money it costs per ounce of that product. So if you compare that 60.5 to this pizza over here, you've got 38.8. So you know that you're gonna get more product for less money. And while we're in the frozen section too, buying frozen is a great way to save some money. And fresh produce is flash frozen at its peak nutritional value. So it's a great option to have on hand, and it also saves you a lot of time.